You have no control when your checked luggage bag will be delivered to your stateroom. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the things you need in your carry-on bag during your embarkation day so that you can have the best experience from day one. If you're a first-time cruiser or just need a refresher, this video is for you. When it comes to your bag, two things you want to remember. Keep it small and simple. I recommend using a carry-on luggage bag with wheels or a backpack because the last thing you want to do is tote heavy bags around a ship, especially if you have an early check-in time. Now, once you have the bag out of the way, you want to make sure you have your documents. Either keep it in a folder, a Ziploc bag, whatever your wishes. You want to make sure you keep your documents with you. That includes your passport or your birth certificate with your photo ID and your boarding pass. If this is the first time you're hearing this, it will not be your last. So keep those documents on you. Now, another thing to keep on you is your swimwear. If you plan on going to the pools, the hot tub, or the water slide, which is the best time to go, by the way, you want to make sure you have your swimsuit on you underneath your clothes so that way you don't have to worry about changing multiple times a day. You want to make sure you bring your medication. Listen, whatever you're taking, you want to make sure you have it with you. The last thing you want to be is sick on a boat without your medication. If you get seasick, car sick, or whatever sick with movement, you want to make sure you bring that medicine as well. I've never been seasick before, but in the last year or so, I have been experiencing seasickness when I'm on the boat. So I will normally bring the patches or the pills, anything to kind of help me, but you want to make sure you're not taking it once you're already feeling sick. You want to make sure you eat it before that. Now, you also want to make sure you have items to keep yourself safe from the sun. I don't know about you guys, but something about the sun when you're on those cruise ships or on the island, it just hits a lot harder. And listen, I get burned. So you want to make sure you have your sunscreen, your sunglasses, including your lip balm because that sun chapped lips, it's just not it. Okay. Another thing you want to pack is a water bottle or a tumbler, whatever you guys call it. But you want to make sure you keep that. They have ones that are collapsible so that it doesn't take so much space in your bag. I don't know about y'all, but having a water bottle is just, I don't know, it's something about it. You leave it down on the table, the moment you turn around, it just looks like it belongs to someone else. So bring your water bottle so you can easily identify it, and it's cheaper too, so you don't have to worry about buying anything. By the way, if you like this video, please tell me you like this video by pushing the thumbs up button and subscribing for more videos and reviews. Now, you want to bring basic toiletries with you. That includes a hairbrush, deodorant, toothbrush, anything to freshen up so that you don't have to worry about feeling some type of way when you're going out to eat or anything. If you still don't have your bags and it's dinner time, you want to make sure you have something to wear. Keep it simple. It could be a simple dress, nothing too heavy that makes your bag bulky. And you want to also make sure you have a spare outfit for your little ones if you bring them. If you're going to bring electronics, your phone, anything of that, you want to make sure you have a charger with you. Like I said, it is hours before you could possibly see your luggage. So you want to make sure that you're able to charge your phone so you can take those photos, make those calls before you sail off. But you want to make sure you have those with you. If you plan on bringing any drinks on board, carry it on board with you. Each guest of drinking age may bring one sealed bottle of wine or champagne. If it's a non-alcoholic drink, it may not exceed 12 standard cans, bottles, or containers per stateroom. So before you get on your next Royal Caribbean cruise, make sure you check out my next video on how to save money and time.